Full, detailed 10-paragraph. 10 para, explanation in English. About the 200 Forint Magyar coin. 2010, including its history. Design, specifications and collector value. 1. Introduction. The 200 Forint coin of Hungary, Magyarország. Introduced in 2009 and continued in 2010. Marked a significant change in Hungary's coinage system. It replaced the older 200 Forint banknote with a modern, durable coin for higher usage efficiency. The 2010 coin is part of this updated monetary reform. 2. Background. Hungary, after transitioning from communism in the late 20th century, maintained the forint HUF as its national currency. As inflation stabilized and costs of printing notes became higher, the Hungarian National Bank decided in 2008 to discontinue the 200 Forint banknote and replace it with a coin, first minted in 2009 and used widely from 2010 onward. 3. Issuer and legal status. The coin was issued by the Magyar Nemzeti Bank, Hungarian National Bank, and is legal tender in Hungary. It is used for everyday transactions and accepted across all parts of the country. Though not rare, its 2010 edition holds moderate collector interest due to its relative recency and clean modern design. 4. Obverse design front. The obverse of the coin displays the Hungarian coat of arms in the center with the inscription Magyarország with acute G, Hungary, arched above it. The date 2010 is placed at the bottom. The design is clean, official-looking, and symbolizes national identity. 5. Reverse design, back. The reverse features the face value, 200 Forint in large, bold lettering. A fine, decorative line encircles the number, with subtle radial lines giving it a sophisticated modern look. The mint mark BP Budapest can also be found here, indicating the minting location. 6. Composition and specifications. Material. The coin is bimetallic, made with outer ring, copper nickel, Cu75 Ni25. Inner core, nickel brass, Cu75Zn 24.5 Ni0.5. Diameter, 28.3 m. Thickness, 2.0 mm. Weight, 9 grams. This composition ensures durability and helps prevent counterfeiting. 7. Edge and security features. The edge of the 200 Forint coin is reeded, grooved, which adds a tactile feel and also deters counterfeiters. There is no inscription on the edge. The bimetallic nature itself is also a security feature, making replication harder. 8. Circulation and usage. The coin was widely circulated after its introduction. It quickly became a common part of everyday life in Hungary. It is equivalent to roughly 50 cents USD or 45 cents. Exchange rates vary, though frequently used. Older and shinier examples from 2010 can still be found in good condition. 9. Collector value. As of 2025, the 2010 200 Forint coin is not considered rare. However, uncirculated or proof versions, mint condition coins never used in circulation, can be worth slightly more too.